Good night, Sisana.
Yeah, good evening, Bro Bagus.
Hello, how are you, sis?
Yes, I'm good today. What about you, Bro Bagus? How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Thank you.
Hmm,
Oops,
Okay. Oops. Tadi
Bro
Bro Bagus
Ilham.
bilang, tadi Bro Bagus bilang good night ya, Bro ya.
Iya.
Ya, jadi kalau di bahasa Inggris tuh Bro Bagus good night itu hanya untuk kalau mau tidur aja.
Oh, ya.
Ya,
Oke, oke,
kalau
oke.
kayak gini tuh masih good evening kita.
Good evening, berarti masih ada aktivitas ya.
Iya, betul, betul, betul. Kayak sampai jam 11 malam itu juga masih good evening. Good night itu pokoknya hanya
Oke.
kalau mau tidur aja.
Hmm, oke, oke. Thank you, sis.
Ya, ya welcome. Biasanya selama ini nih ya, Bro Bagus ya kayak good night.
Biasanya kalau apa ya kalau telepon dengan my wife, jadi curhat ya udah deh nanti aja. Skip aja,
Lo,
skip, skip.
nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Sambil nunggu yang lain.
Nggak apa-apa, ada Bro Ilhan juga ya di situ udah masuk ya?
Iya, mau curhat. Jadi curhat dong. Oh, biasanya kalau call gitu, good night gitu ya.
Ya,
Good night.
seperti
Jadi
itu sih.
buat salam perpisahan aja. Sekarang nanti bilang ke bebeknya, bebek bukan good night ya, gitu. Tidak boleh pakai good night sekarang. Good nightnya kalau mau tutup telepon, udah mau tidur, nah itu baru good night.
Oke.
Alright, so how are you, Bro Ilhan, Bro Albert, and Bro Indra?
Yeah, I'm good, sis.
Good, okay.
I'm good, I'm
Bro,
good.
you're good. Alright, can you guys please turn on your camera? Thank you, Bro Indra. Let's go. Nah, gitu dong. Okay, welcome back again to the class, guys. For today, buat hari ini, we will talk about a new topic. Kita akan ngomongin tentang topik baru lagi. It's about natural disaster. Do you know what is this mean? Apa tuh artinya natural disaster? Pernah dengar nggak?
Bencana alam, Miss.
Bencana alam. Pintar. Betul banget maksudnya. Bentar, ini kenapa sini? So we will talk about natural disaster atau bencana alam ya, bro and sis brothers. Ini adalah vocabulary untuk hari ini. Hmm. Bro Bagus, can you please help me read the vocabulary, Bro Bagus?
Oke. Earthquake,
Uh,
earthquake,
earthquake,
earthquake means gempa bumi. Tornado means angin
tornado.
puting.
Iya.
Tornado means angin puting beliung. Blizzard, blizzard means badai salju. Tremor means getaran atau biasanya karena gempa kecil. Storm means badai. Flood means banjir. Tsunami means tsunami. Drought means kekeringan. Terus hurricane means angin topan.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
Hurricane, hurricane means angin topan. Hurricane means angin topan. Thunder means guntur. Forest fire means kebakaran hutan. Heat wave means
Heat.
gelombang panas. Wave,
Heat.
heat,
Heat.
oh
Heat
heat,
wave.
heat wave,
Hmm.
heat wave means gelombang panas. Blackout means pemadam listrik. Volcano means gunung berapi.
Volcano.
Damage, volcano means gunung berapi. Damage means kerusakan.
Damage.
Damage. Means kerusakan. Damage. Means
Kayak ini pakainya
gimana?
damage.
Oh, damage.
Ya, lanjut.
Damage means kerusakan. Destroy means menghancurkan.
Oke, thank you Bro Bagus.
Welcome, sis.
Alright, selanjutnya boleh Bro, siapa ya? Bro Ilhan deh.
Okay. Earthquake means gempa bumi. Tornado means angin puting beliung. Blizzard means badai salju. Tremor means getaran. Storm means badai. Flood means banjir. Tsunami means tsunami. Drought means kekeringan. Hurricane means angin topan. Thunder means guntur. Forest fire means kebakaran hutan. Heat wave means gelombang panas. Blackout means pemadaman listrik. Volcano means gunung berapi. Damage means kerusakan. Destroy means menghancurkan.
Okay, thank you Bro Ilhan.
Welcome.
Now Bro Rizal, please. The last.
Sorry. Earthquake means gempa bumi. Tornado tornado means angin puting beliung. Blizzard means badai salju. And tremor means getaran. Storm means badai. Flood means banjir. Tsunami means tsunami. Drought means kekeringan. Hurricane means angin topan. Thunder means guntur. Forest fire means kebakaran hutan. Heat wave means gelombang panas. Blackout means pemadaman listrik. Volcano means gunung berapi. Volcano means gunung berapi. Damage means kerusakan. Destroy means menghancurkan.
Okay, thank you Bro Rizal. Alright, let's move to the question. This is the vocabularies ya. Nanti Bro Brothers bisa pakai vocab ini untuk menjawab pertanyaannya. This is the question. Ini adalah pertanyaannya. Hari ini mau pertanyaannya 3 pertanyaan berbeda. The first question, yang pertama, I would like to ask Bro Albert. Okay, Bro Albert, what disaster are you afraid the most?
What disaster are you afraid the most?
Yes.
Afraid ini apa ya?
Afraid itu artinya takut.
Afraid, takut. Disaster. Tadi
Disaster means bencana.
Yes. Gempa bumi tadi nggak ada artinya ya? Nggak. Sebelumnya nggak ada ya?
Ada.
Gempa bumi itu apa ya? Oh, earthquake.
Yeah, that's right. So, what disaster are you afraid the most?
Earthquake.
Okay, why?
Why? Because earthquake very dangerous ya.
Mhm.
If earthquake terjadi ya, so earth will be hancur apa ya? Hancur tuh
Destroy.
destroy. Yes.
So the disaster that you afraid the most is earthquake. Have you ever
Yeah.
experienced earthquake?
Yes, sorry,
Have
Miss.
you have you ever experienced earthquake? Pernah nggak mengalami earthquake?
Yes. I do.
Okay. How was it? Gimana tuh? When? In what situation at that moment?
Lampau pada saat buat the moment sorry, pada saat apa ya, Miss?
Pada saat, you can say at the moment.
Oh, at the moment aja ya, saat ya. At the moment tsunami Aceh.
Oh, I see. At the moment of tsunami Aceh. And where were you? In Aceh?
No, not Sumatra.
North
Not Sumatra.
Sumatra. Oh, I see. So you experienced that earthquake caused of tsunami.
Yes.
And then what did you do at that time, Bro?
In my hometown.
In your hometown. Well, what did you do tuh? Apa yang Bro Albert lakukan saat itu?
What did you do? Apa ya? Cuma kalau ngomong kita cuma keluar rumah gitu, out the home gitu ya, out the house ya.
We can say we go out.
We go out from house lah.
You go out from house. All of your family, you and your family.
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone. I
Yeah.
see. It's kind of scary ya, Bro ya, because at the moment I think the earthquake is quite big. Waktu itu lumayan besar, right?
Yes.
Nggak lumayan, memang besar sih. It's scary moment, menakutkan.
Yeah, scary moment.
Okay, thank you, Bro Albert. The next question is for Bro Indra. Question number 2, Bro Indra. Have you ever experienced a natural disaster?
Yeah. I have experienced a natural disaster.
What was it?
The earthquake, maybe 2 years ago. 1 year ago.
Okay,
at
1 year
Jakarta.
in Jakarta. All right. Can you describe the situation at that moment?
Yeah, everyone is go out from the building without elevator.
Okay.
Yeah. They are rushing, go out to the building, go out from the building.
I see, I see.
Yeah.
In what floor are you at that time?
12 floor.
12. And then you go down
Yeah,
without elevator from 12 the floor.
yeah. I go
Wow.
down with stair.
Only with stair. And all of the people is rush at the moment.
Yeah, everyone is rushing to go out
see.
from the building.
I see. Is the earthquake is quite big?
Yeah, it's about 2 minutes with big magnitude.
I see. Is there any victims at the
Ah.
time?
No,
No, there is no victim.
all
Gratefully.
are safe.
All everyone is safe. All right. Do you know where is the epicentrum at that time?
It's near the West Java, I think.
Near West Java.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Usually when Jakarta is an earthquake, the epicentrum is around Sukabumi or those area, right?
Yeah, right.
Mhm.
It's around there.
All right. Thank you, Bro Indra.
You're welcome, Susanna.
Next question, number 3, is for Bro Fenley.
Yes.
Bro Fenley, what kind of disaster are common in your country?
What?
What kind of disasters are common in your country?
Disaster common in your country? Kind.
Kind itu kayak what kind? Itu kayak jenis, itu tipe. Ha.
Bencana apa yang pernah terjadi di kotamu?
Country itu lebih ke negara.
Negara.
Iya, kalau common itu bisa disebut kayak paling umum gitu atau paling sering terjadi. Common. What kind of disaster are common in your country?
Experience of flood.
Flood. I see. Have you ever experienced it? Pernah mengalami, Bro Fenley?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How
I
often
have experience.
you have experience? How often?
How often? Bagaimana pendapatmu?
How often itu kayak seberapa sering?
Kalau nggak terlalu sering itu apa ya?
Ini. Rarely.
Rarely.
Iya, rarely itu jarang. Rarely. Okay.
In on TV.
Gimana?
Rarely. But
Rarely.
I have seen it on TV.
Oh, you have seen it on TV. Okay. What can we do when it's flood, Bro Fenley? Apa yang bisa kita lakuin kalau lagi flood?
Sleeping.
Apa ya?
Sleeping.
Maybe sleeping. Maybe prepare in room, apa ya, tempat yang apa sih, tempat ruangan atau tempat yang jauh dari bencana. Sekarang kayak apa ya namanya?
Betul.
Running from reality.
Running from reality. Kayak mengungsi gitu ya, bro ya?
Ya, mengungsi. Kayak tempat
Oke.
yang lebih aman. Apa ya bahasanya?
We can say ini mungkin
Safety room, no?
evacuate, ya, atau kayaknya evacuate sih, atau refugee kalau nggak salah. Mengungsi. Oke. So
Wis.
we
Oh,
can
it.
move. Mhm.
So we can move.
We can move. Oke. Ya, kita bisa pindah ya, bro ya.
Iya.
Nice. Iya, 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 iya. Nggak apa-apa, Bro Feli. Jangan ragu-ragu.
Yes.
Oke. Back to question number 1. Kita balik lagi ke question number 1. Buat siapa yang belum ya, Bro? Bagus.
Yes.
Bro Bagus, what disaster are you afraid the most?
What disaster are you most?
Iya, are you afraid?
Apa ya? Apa yang kamu takuti terjadi bencana ya?
Ini tuh kayak bencana apa yang
Bencana yang ditakutin gitu.
iya, the most itu artinya yang paling ditakuti.
Maybe drought ya. Kekeringan tuh drought. Drought.
Drought, betul.
Kekeringan tuh drought. Ya. Drought.
Ya, drought.
Yes.
Okay,
Because why? Because droughts affect to apa ya? Jadi not drink, not dehidrasi itu apa dehidrasi?
Dehydration.
Dehydration. Ya, itu. Jadi intinya gini, karena akan terjadinya dehidrasi pada manusia gitu. Jadi because can dehydration to manusia tuh fever ya?
Ya.
Ya.
Jadi?
Yes. Sorry.
So, because
Karena akan terjadi tuh.
Bisa bilang gini, it will.
Oh, it will. Because it will dehydration apa dehidrasi?
Dehydration. Kayaknya dehydration.
Dehydration pada tuh ya. Pada fever.
People, human ya, manusia.
Human, ya. Yeah.
Iya, oke. Thank you, Bro Bagus. Kadang ini ya, Bro ya, ada di otak tapi mau ngeluarinnya tuh apa gitu ya. Jawabannya udah
Ya,
ada di
seperti
otak.
itu.
Gak apa-apa,
Oke.
gak apa-apa. For the next buat yang selanjutnya tuh Bro Ilhan. Question number 2, Bro Ilhan. Have you ever experienced a natural disaster? Ini harusnya natural ya. Typo guys, sorry.
Okay. Yes, I am. I experienced the storm.
Storm. Wow. Can you describe what is the situation like?
Okay, because I live in Bogor, where it often to happen rain and storm,
Mhm.
and at the moment in my home
Mhm.
is happen the big rain and the big wind,
Oh.
and it's damaged my neighborhood house.
Oh, okay. Is there any victims there?
Thankfully, it's not.
Okay, there is no victims, but some houses are damaged.
Yeah, some houses are damaged. Most of them is the roof
Oh,
is
most of the.
damaged.
Okay. Is it also happened to your house?
Thankfully, it's not happened to my house.
Okay, gratefully. All right. Thank you, Bro Ilhan.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So, bro and sis, this is the difference between home and house. Sebenarnya ini keduanya sama-sama ya, artinya rumah. Tapi kalau house itu rumah dalam arti bangunan. Yang bangunan rumahnya itu, nah itu disebutnya house. Kalau home sebenarnya artinya rumah, tapi lebih ke feeling gitu loh. Lebih ke perasaan nyaman gitu. For example, my girlfriend is my home. Kayak pacarku itu udah kayak rumah karena aku ngerasa nyaman sama dia. Or my family is my home. Keluargaku itu rumahku. Jadi lebih ke rumah yang lebih ke perasaan pulangnya gitu. Kalau untuk nyebutin bangunan rumah, kita lebih umumnya pakai house. Oke. The last one terakhir for Bro Rizal. Bro Rizal udah belum ya? Belum ya? Okay, last question, bro. What kind of disaster are common in your country, in our country?
Okay. I think in Indonesia, because Indonesia is part of Ring of Fire, the earthquake is the most common disaster. Also, I think the second one is flood, because I can see in my home now, I got maybe 2 months ago, the flood is happening in my home.
Oh, I see. What is the causes?
Because I think before flood happens, the rain is very long, and also I think from the river, the water level is go up, and then go to my house.
I see, I see. All right. So is it often to happen in your area, flood?
Yeah, in this quarter often happen, but not too frequent, but yeah, depends. It depends on the rain and the water level in the river.
I see, I see. So your house is close to the river.
Yeah, very close.
Okay. We can say heavy rain untuk bilang hujan lebat ya guys ya, hujan gede. Heavy rain.
Heavy rain, okay.
Okay, thank you Bro Rizal.
Okay, you're welcome.
Alright, so after this, abis ini brothers, I want to ask you to discuss about something. I think it's related to your field. Ini kayaknya nyambung sih sama fieldnya Bro and Sis. So we can talk about how can technology help in predicting or managing natural disaster. Jadi kayak gimana sih peran teknologi ngebantu orang-orang atau masyarakat atau negara gitu ya, pemerintahan untuk memprediksi atau memanage natural disaster menurut Pro and Sis. After this, I will divide you into breakout rooms. Di sini Sisana bagi ke breakout room and you will present your idea to the main room. And berapa menit ya? Kemarin kayaknya terlalu cepat. 10 menit cukup nggak? 15 menit? 10 atau 15? Kenapa semua ngangguk-ngangguk aja nih? 10 atau 15?
Up to you, Sis.
Up to me. 10 dulu deh ya.
We can start with 10
10.
minutes.
Okay, we can start in 10 minutes. After that, we will back again to the main room.
Yeah.
All right. Let's make 2 breakout room. Okay, let's go. What happened, Bro Fenley?
Halo?
Ya, what happened, Bro
Oh,
Bagus?
enggak.
Ini masih di main room.
Oh, masih di main room ya?
Iya, ada
Kok
ininya
belum
nggak? Udah
pindah ya?
ada undangannya untuk ke breakout room?
Tadi ada, cuman sempet hilang nih, Sis.
Oh gitu. Coba ya. Bagus, bagus. Gimana?
Oke.
Sudah ada? Okay. Welcome back again to the main room, guys. Okay. I heard that there is a room that a lot of out of topic, banyak yang bahasannya out of topic, but I believe you can present your idea. Tapi saya percaya Bryce bisa present idenya masing-masing. From the room one dulu. Kita dari room one dulu ya. Ada dari siapa ya? Bro Ilhan and Friends. Okay. Please state your group's opinion, Bro Ilhan.
Okay, so my group's opinion is to implement the AI technology that will give early warning to people that if a natural disaster comes, like the AI will learn where its natural disaster often comes, like uh, rain. We can place sensor in river to give early warning to people when the water level is high. And idea number 2 is we want to implement the drone technology to supply the food to the rescue area. I think is it.
Okay. So implement the drone and also the tools for detecting the water level on the river.
Yeah, for early warning.
For early warning before the flood happen.
Yes.
I see. That's nice idea. Any additional idea from group one dari Bro Indra atau Bro Arbet mau menambahkan?
Maybe the rescue people with the drone.
With drone. With drone?
Yes.
Okay, what do you mean rescue people with drone? Please explain more.
The rescue people, if maybe the access damage, the access damage, we can make the drone, to evacuate the people.
Oh, I see. So it's for looking for the victims. Jadi buat nyari korban ya, Bro ya?
Nyari kok, ya.
Ah, so, yeah. Okay, that's nice
Thank you.
idea deh. And ada lagi? Enough?
Enough?
Enough. Okay, thank you so much from group one. Next, from kenapa Bro Yohan mau ngomong sesuatu?
Yeah, enough, Miss.
Enough. Okay, dari Bro Bagus and Friends. Please state your opinion.
Oke, Bro
Ya,
Rizal
boleh,
or me?
boleh sama siapa aja. Boleh.
Koreksi ya, Mas Rizal. My group of ini is implement to install IoT technology. Will to detect detection sensor for tsunami and apa namanya tadi itu gempa bumi itu apa? Earth group ya?
Earthquake.
Yes. Tadi itu ya Mas Rizal.
Yes. And Fenley also, you have other opinion, Fenley?
Maybe technology can help predict natural disaster of early warning system and weather safety. Maybe communication tools, anytime and anywhere.
Okay, right. So it can help to detect for the early warning system using IoT. I see. Okay. Thank you so much, Bro Fendi and Bro Bagus and friends. So this is some vocabularies yang tadi Susana kumpulin ya, ada vocab-vocab dari breakout room, ada refugee camp. Ini kalau misal mau menyebut camp pengungsian buat yang terdampak bencana, kita bisa sebut itu refugee camp. And damaged location, lokasi yang terdampak bencana yang rusak gitu. Ada isolated area. Ada distributing food, ini food aid. Food aid itu bantuan makanan. Distributing food aid. And then ada disaster warning or disaster alert. And tadi ada di room tuh, Bro Family and Friends itu sempat bingung bahasa Inggrisnya laut itu apa gitu ya. Nah ini guys, bahasa Inggrisnya laut. Kalau laut itu sea. Jadi laut yang dekat-dekat pantai itu masih sea. Kalau misal udah konteksnya laut yang luas, yang menghubungkan antar benua, nah itu baru ocean. Jadi sea itu bagian dari ocean. Tapi kalau misal kita mau bilang laut yang lingkup lebih kecil, lebih cocoknya pakai sea. Alright, that's all. So far, any question ada yang mau ditanyain? Mungkin kayak bahasa Inggrisnya ini apa, bahasa Inggrisnya itu apa? Boleh?
Ini mau nanya dong.
Boleh.
Kalau dari ini sendiri tips pribadi supaya vocabulary-nya itu lebih kaya tuh kita harus latihan apa sih?
Sebenarnya kalau menurut Sis Ana, kalau bahasa Inggris itu kan ada 4 skill ya, Bro and Sis. Ada skill pasif, ada skill aktif. Kalau skill aktif itu kita speaking and also writing. Kalau skill pasifnya itu reading sama listening. Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau banyak vocab untuk berbicara, kita harus banyak mendengarkan. Dari mendengarkan listening itu, jadi nanti banyak kosakata-kosakata yang bisa kita dapetin tuh. Sebenarnya mendengarkan juga nggak harus mendengarkan hal-hal yang serius ya, kayak Bro and Sis ngedengerin podcast gitu, atau mungkin vlog-vlog orang luar negeri, konten-kontennya, itu juga bisa nambah vocab, kayak gitu. Terus kalau misal reading itu juga membantu untuk nambah kosakata. Karena kan kalau misal kita reading, misal baca novel atau mungkin ada yang suka baca buku self development gitu ya, itu kan pasti ada istilah-istilah yang ketika Francis baca, ini maksudnya apa sih gitu. Nah, itu nanti lama-lama akan kekumpul tuh vocabulary-nya. Itu sih. Dan pastinya harus dipraktekin ya, karena kalau misal cuma dimengerti doang, terus gak dipraktekin untuk diucapkan, itu nanti lama-lama kayak tadi tuh, sebenarnya kita tahu bahasa Inggrisnya laut itu sea, tapi apa ya gitu. Gitu. Jadi memang harus sering-sering praktis. Begitu, Bro Indra.
Oke, thank you sis, understood.
Yeah. Alright. It's already 9 PM, sudah jam 9 guys. Kita harus akhiri dulu kelasnya ya. Untuk besok berarti mau libur dulu ya?
Yes, Miss.
Ya.
We reschedule to Saturday morning at 8 PM.
Oke, Saturday morning jam 8 pagi berarti ya? Atau jam 8 malam?
How it guys? Is it jam 8 pagi? Okay.
Okay. Because
Pagi?
Okay.
Pagi, oke. Karena malming ya malamnya ya. Mau malmingan. Oke, berarti kita hari Sabtu jam 8 pagi dan besok kita off day dulu, libur dulu. Alright, thank you so much everyone. Bro Ilhan, Bro Albert for
thank
coming
you.
and everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
Tuh.